Good day, everyone. Raimundo Abigail together with Miss Asuncion, my linear presenters for the topic of approaches to measuring the GDP. So in measuring the GDP, we have three approaches. First is the expenditure approach. Second is the outcome approach. And lastly, we have the income approach. So let us first have the expenditure approach. So expenditure approach, basically it is the calculation of the total expending ng different participating groups in the economy. So when I mention the different participating groups dito, these are the economic sectors. So in our economic sectors, we have four po. First is the consumption. When we say consumption, these are the consumers consume. Basically, ito yung pag-purchase and na-purchase na ng mga consumer na goods and services. Next is the investment. When we say investment naman, these are the investment in the producers of goods and services. Example for this is factories. Next is the government spending. So basically, these are the government expenses sa public services, healthcare, education, and such. So lastly, we have naman the X and M. So X stands for export, M stands for import. So alam naman natin to, ulit na siya na-discuss. Import is the goods and services na binibili ng isang bansa sa ibang bansa. When we say export naman, these are the goods and services na binibenta ng isang bansa sa ibang bansa. So those four are the economic sectors. So, ito, yung sinabi ko kanina, C stands for consumption, I stands for investment, G stands for government spending, X stands for export, and M stands for import. So, let us now focus sa formula. So, in calculating the expenditure of an country's economy, ito yung formula. So, C plus I plus G open parenthesis, X minus M, close parenthesis. So, let us focus naman sa example dito. So, let's assume na lang na ito yung spending ng mga different economic sectors. So, for consumption, we have $500 billion. In investment naman, we have $200 billion. In government spending naman, we have $150 billion. In export naman, $80 billion. And in import naman, we have $100 billion. So dito, sa may pinakababa, makikita nyo na dito yung solution. $5 billion is for consumption, $200 billion is for investment, and the $150 billion is for government spending. So yun, so may export and import, yan. Total ng GDP ay expenditure ng isang economy is $830 billion. So, yan. To conclude po, the significance of calculating the country's expenditure, since ito is binibigyan niya tayo ng data ng total expenses ng economy ng isang bansa, it given insights po sa spending pattern ng isang bansa kasi nga makikita natin yung different expenses ng different sectors ng isang bansa, economic sector ng isang bansa. And also, magbibigay siya, it can give an insight sa economic health ng isang bansa kasi nga makikita natin yung total amount or total spending ng economic spending ng isang bansa. So, yan.